Hello everyone, welcome back to iNext CRM tutorial video series. In this video, we will explore how you can manage your knowledge base articles and engage your customer with knowledge base module of iNext CRM. Let's explore the features. For that, log into your dashboard of iNext CRM and then click on knowledge base. Here we have all the knowledge base that you have created so far, and you can create new articles as you wish. And the first, let me show you the groups. You can create multiple groups or categories of knowledge base so that you can manage them properly. You can create new groups, like create a group and then give it a name such as client area guides. So these are categories of articles, knowledge based articles. Let's go back to articles. Here we have one pre-created articles. Let's edit one. So it's a very simple. You have to give a title and then the slug or the URL of the title, and then you have to select a group. If you mark this particular article as internal, then it would be viewed only by your team members, your staff members. If you disable it, then it would be not visible by even by your customer or by your team members. It will be just as an article but not visible to anyone. Then we have the save button. You can click on the save. You can delete article, you can create a new one. It's a very simple form. Let me show you how it's visible to your customer. Click on the view tab. So this is your customer area. Your logo would be here, and this is non-registered client area, and they can search your knowledge base and they can read through it. If they like it, they can click on the yes button. They can share feedbacks also for knowledge base. Let's go back to here. We have also the GNAT view or the pipeline view. You can see what all knowledge base is there. You can drag and drop and reorder them as you wish. We have filter option. You can filter knowledge base articles by their group, or you can see all the articles. So this is very simple and short option of knowledge base management. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on another video of this series. Till then, take care. Bye bye.